Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soup dumplings without a steamer. Start by making a concentrated broth and chill it until firm so it can be cubed and enclosed. Prepare a pliable dough that stretches thin but stays strong. Roll wrappers small, add cold gelatin broth cubes and meat filling, then pleat and seal tightly. Cook gently in a skillet with a lid or in a covered pan of simmering water until cooked through. Make a deeply flavored stock and reduce it to concentrate taste, then chill until fully set into gelatin. If needed, add a bit of powdered gelatin for a reliable set and smooth mouthfeel. Pour into a shallow tray for quicker chilling and neat, uniform cubes that fit inside each wrapper. Keep these cubes cold while you shape dumplings so they stay solid until cooking, ensuring every bite bursts with soup. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low and add a light oil film, then arrange dumplings seam-side down to sear gently and build a golden base. Pour in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water or broth, then immediately cover to create a mini steam chamber that cooks the dough through. Keep the heat moderate so the gelatin melts inside without bursting the wrapper, and uncover only when fully set and tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.